name's Alyssa or Apollo. I'm the music teacher here at Bancroft at VPF, and I have been here coming up on 2 years in January. It became really clear to me that the biggest part of my job was making sure my students had the most amount of autonomy possible, that I could create the most independent musicians that I could. A lot of our learners are much more sensory, so they need that tactile piece, right? There might be some vision impairments. So just showing them a picture of something isn't giving them the same opportunity for access to that choice. I really was amazed that the 3D printer could print so many tiny little details. This guitar is accurate and it actually has little tiny strings on it. These are some musical fractions that we made specifically. We have two different sizes here of these little puzzles. They're representative of how rhythm functions in music, but they're giving them it broken down like fractions, like math. A lot of our kids really enjoy taking apart and putting back together. This has been a really cool new project for me to embark on. So I'm excited to keep 3D printing and see what else we can come up with to keep giving our kids access to as many things as we can.